there are so many things around us which are very beneficial for our skin, but the thing is we always ignore it and it's not our fault. Maybe हमें उसके बारे में ज़्यादा information नहीं होती है, हमें ज़्यादा पता नहीं होता है और हम ज़्यादा सोचते भी नहीं है कि ये चीज़ हमारे लिए important है या नहीं है. So today I'm going to tell you one secret. I always use it and I think that if you use it, you will also see a change.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
Today we'll be talking about a baby oil. Baby oil is very beneficial for our skin and this can be used in so many ways. हम baby oil को बहुत तरीके से use कर सकते हैं and the thing is this will actually give you a big change in your face and you will see it. Whenever you are using any baby oil, remember one thing, वो baby oil light in weight होना चाहिए. So it should be non-sticky and it should be like as light as water and you will easily get it anywhere in the market. So today I am going to use the Dove baby oil. This is my favorite and I always use it. So today's tip is all about the baby oil. So let's start.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you